Welcome to the Health Room. Looking for a surefire way to make hair longer and grow fast in just 30 days? Follow this DIY hair growth recipe and see the results in no time. This recipe uses mainly fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is an age-old remedy for hair loss and thinning. It stimulates blood flow to the scalp, nourishes the hair follicles to promote faster and healthier new growth. Fenugreek is also a great alternative to store-bought conditioner, thanks to its high mucilage content, which provides slip-like conditioner and makes detangling very easy. And if you have dry, coarse or frizzy hair, fenugreek can come to your rescue. Regular use of this herb in a hair mask or deep conditioner will naturally soften your hair, increase manageability, and restore luster and bounce. These are the ingredients. 3 tablespoons dried fenugreek seeds. 6 ounces coconut oil. 1 small jar. 1 larger jar. Combine the seeds with the oil in the small jar, set aside. Add water to the large jar, then put the small jar inside the larger jar. You are then going to carefully heat the large jar in boiling water, but being very careful not to boil the coconut oil. After the coconut oil is heated all the way through, carefully remove the smaller jar and set it in a place that receives direct sunlight. You will leave it here for a week. After 1 week, strain the seeds and the coconut oil is now ready to be used. Put in a small bottle, or whatever container you prefer, for easy application. To use this mixture, massage a small amount of the oil into your scalp gently. Leave the oil on for an hour, then rinse with water. If you repeat this process every other day, with your DIY homemade oil, you will begin to see the benefits of fenugreek oil. Remember, a little oil goes a long way. You don't need to completely saturate your hair to receive the benefits of the oil. Fenugreek is a great treatment for dandruff. Scratching your head regularly from the itch can cause your hair to break, then eventually fall out. Bacteria and fungi that are present on your scalp can lead to dandruff. When you add fenugreek oil, the antibacterial and antifungal properties can treat the itch and dandruff, allowing your scalp to become healthy once more. Coconut oil is a natural way to help your hair grow longer, thicker, and faster. The vitamins and essential fatty acids naturally found in coconut oil nourish the scalp, and help to remove sebum buildup from hair follicles. Try this recipe and be surprised with the results. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell button to keep you notified and updated with our latest videos. We are trying our best to give you the most informative health and beauty related videos, regularly. Thanks for watching The Health Room.